of a long white Cadillac. Train whistle crash, lost on its own track. I close my eyes, sitting in the back of a long white Cadillac. Sometimes I blame it on a woman, the one that made my poor heart bleed. Sometimes I blame it on the money, sometimes I blame it on me. Headlights shine, highway fades flat. It's my last ride, sitting in the back of a long white Cadillac. Oh, sometimes I blame it on a woman, the one that made my poor heart bleed. Sometimes I blame it on the money, sometimes I blame it on me. Ain't only so lost on its own track. I close my eyes, I ain't never coming back in a long white Cadillac. 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 Oh, bye-bye, baby. I gotta take his white trash on down the road.
I can almost see me now in Acapulco. I can almost feel the breeze that makes the palm trees sway. The motion of the ocean in the bottle says loving her is just a sip away. Taking me a whiskey trip, loving her with every sip. I'm just like a sailing ship, waiting for the winds to blow. A whiskey, you're a friend of mine. You can blow away my mind to some other place and time. Take I can almost see her now, here beside me. I can almost smell the perfume drifting from her hair. And living with this feeling of wanting her, one more drink, and I know I'll be there. I've taken me a whiskey trip, loving her with every sip. I'm just like a sailing ship, waiting for the winds to blow. Whiskey, you're a friend of mine. You can blow away my mind to some other place and time. Taking me a whiskey trip, taking me a whiskey trip, loving her with every sip. I'm just like a sailing ship. Don't rock the jukebox, I wanna hear some Jones, 'cause my heart ain't ready for the Rolling Stones. I don't feel like rocking since my baby's gone. So don't rock the jukebox, play me a country song. Before you drop that quarter, keep one thing in mind. You got a heart-broke hillbilly standing here in line. I've been down and lonely ever since she left. Before you punch that number, could I make one request? Don't rock the jukebox, I wanna hear some Jones, 'cause my heart ain't ready for the Rolling Stones. I don't feel like rocking since my baby's gone. So don't rock the jukebox, play me a country song. I ain't got nothing against rock and roll, but when your heart's been broken, you need a song that's slow. There ain't nothing like a steel guitar, drown a memory. Before you spend your money, baby, play a song for me. And don't rock the jukebox, wanna hear George Jones, 'cause my heart ain't ready for the Rolling Stone. I don't feel like rocking since my baby's gone. So don't rock the jukebox, play me a country song. You don't rock the jukebox, play me a country song. He's just a singer, a natural born guitar ringer, kind of a clinger to sad old songs. He's not a walk behind her. He's a new note finder. His name's a reminder of a blues man that's already gone. So he started drinking, took some things that messed up his thinking. He was sure sinking when she came along. He was alone in the spotlight, not too much left inside. She changed all that one night when she sang in this song. Hey baby, I love you. Hey baby, I need you. Hey baby, you ain't got to prove to me you're some kind of macho man. You wasted so much of your life running through the dark nights. Let me shine a little love light down on that blues man. He got so sick from speeding, all the things they said he was needing. If he is to keep on pleasing all of his fans, he got cuffed on dirt roads. He got sued over no shows. She came and took all that old load down off that blues man. And he sang, hey baby, I love you too. Hey baby, I need you. Hey baby, I do get tired of this traveling band. I'm over 40 years old now. Nights would be cold now if you hadn't stuck it out with this blues man. He's over 40 years old now. Nights would be so cold now if she hadn't hung around with that blues